Hey everyone, it's your boy Muhammad KK, and welcome back to KK Solution. Vacation is the best time to chill, but also to level up with fun and useful skills. So here are my top 5 vacation courses for students that are totally worth your time. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, Spoken English. If you want to speak fluently and confidently in school or even online, this is your chance. There are so many cool apps and YouTube channels that teach English with games and fun stories. Speak just 5 minutes a day, and boom, you're improving. Number 4, Coding for Beginners. Don't worry, you don't need to be a genius. Start with Scratch, move to Python or HTML. Websites like code.org or Khan Academy make it super beginner-friendly. Build your own small game or app this vacation. Number 3 is a combo, video editing and Blender. Love creating content? Learn editing with CapCut, VN, or DaVinci Resolve. Then try 3D animation with Blender. Make your own intros, logos, or even animated short films. Perfect for future YouTubers or animators like you. Number 2 is something every student needs. Microsoft Office courses. Learn how to use Excel, Word, PowerPoint. These are super helpful for school projects and future jobs. Trust me, knowing how to make a cool presentation or a smart spreadsheet will save your life. And finally, number 1, public speaking and personality development. Learn to speak with confidence, handle stage fear, and build leadership skills. Whether it's in school debates or interviews, this course is a superpower. So there you go, the top 5 vacation courses to make your break fun and productive. Which course are you planning to join? Drop a comment below, don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to KK Solution. Until next time, stay smart and stay awesome.